Okay, we are finding our room. We just walked 6 flights of stairs, and it is my fault. But you know what? When you first board, everybody clusters to the elevator. And let me tell you what, ooh, that's a workout.
Hi.
We have a midship balcony stateroom. So we're trying to find our room. And then I'm going to give you a tour. Here we are. Deck 10, 212.
Door card.
This
Right here, Pumps. Oh.
is our stateroom. Wow. Let's turn the light. Here's the light. Okay. So this is the light switch. You have to put the key card in for the lights to work. We come in, we have a full-length mirror, which is really nice. And this is the view of the cabin from here. Now the bed is a king-size bed at this point, but we are going to have it separated into 2 twins. The bathroom is the door here to the left, and it's pretty good size. It has some knobs there to hang up towels or whatever you want to hang up there. Full shower. I like the glass on the shower doors. Really nice. And toilet, shelving, very modern. The backsplash is like a brown and it's really pretty. We have toiletries and glasses and some shelves. And the shower door opens up like this. It's a good size shower. Like I can fit all in here and it's good size. I mean, there's you get just some shampoos in here. There's no other gel or anything like that. It's just a shampoo. So there's no conditioner. There's somewhere for soap. There's a garbage can. Amenities. Okay. And then here is the beds that I already showed you. This is a big, huge closet. Okay. And it has 2 drawers at the bottom here, which are empty for your clothes. And, you know, I always suggest to people to bring Clorox wipes, because even though they do clean, but they don't clean. So you always want to come into your stateroom and definitely wipe it down, but they give you a laundry bag service. Not overly a lot of hangers, but there's hangers. And safe, well, more shelves. There is a little side table and telephone, lights, and then the TV is a flat screen television. And I'm not sure if it comes out. Let's say, yes, it does. It actually swings out. So if somebody wanted to watch it from the living area. Waters that I ordered online and they deliver. So if you want to order your water, you can. And then there's the side table on this side, which I'm assuming they will have one of those in between the bed when it's separated. Here's another closet. This doesn't have any shelves, but it is a full length. And it's got like this little rack, which is kind of cool. You can hang something on, just pants or whatever. We're only for 3 nights, so we don't have a lot to put in there. This is a mirror and vanity with a chair. It's got 2 USB. There are 2 American outlets, actually 3, I take that back, and then 1 European, and of course a light. This is a little mini area. Refrigerator, which actually has a lock. I'm not really, no, there it goes. I guess you can lock it. But it's a little fridge and you can hold some things in there if you want. I plan to probably put a couple yogurts or something in there. And then there's breakfast menu, to go menu, or to leave out your stateroom. Drawers. There's 4 drawers actually. So that's good size. And we've got the balcony. Let me mention there is a sofa here. I'm trying to get where you can actually see it. Sofa's here. The sofa does pull out into a bed. We will be using that because I have my father. So I will show you the turn down on that. And the chair is kind of cool too. Just a little clean. And they got a trash can there. The balcony is good size. It comes with 2 chairs and a table. And this chair is not like normal balcony chairs. It actually will lay back.
Kinda like a lounger.
So it's kind of like a lounger.
And you have
See if I can get a bigger
and I like
picture of it.
the
Oh, and it's got a little
wall.
stool that comes out. So that's cool. And then of course there's another one there that my father is enjoying.
Hi, how are you?
And yeah, so this is Park Canaveral. We're at. We are port side, Port Canaveral, where all the industrial stuff is. And okay, so that's our room tour, guys. And I hope you enjoyed that.